Welcome back to the channel. We're at Target, and this vlog is going to be just an evening at Target looking for fall fun things and also building a boo basket for our friend Julia, who's getting here on Wednesday. It's currently Monday night, and I don't know who I think I am going to Target at 9 p.m. on a Monday evening, but it's happening.
We recorded a podcast though. We were productive.
I know, we were so productive. I'm really proud of us. So we're gonna hop in here, grab some things for a cute boot basket, and we'll build it together. And we might grab some other fun things.
I want some cookie dough.
Depending. She wants some cookie dough. I would love it if they have the Pillsbury Halloween ones, but she said that she saw the other day they only really had Christmas and Thanksgiving, which is a crime against humanity. So we'll see. Guys, we got vegan, gluten-free cookies. Fun fact, I used to help with the marketing for this company. And now they're in big stores, which is really cool. Yeah, why not? You only got like a week left of pumpkin spice season. Might as well. Those are for Julia because she is vegan and she has to eat gluten-free. So, I don't think I need any creamer because I've got a good bit of pumpkin spice left. I was admiring these because this bottle is just like gorgeous. Great branding.
Have you ever seen these?
I have not seen these.
Have you ever tasted these?
Witch's brew. No.
They are disgusting.
Oh.
A lot of people
then I won't.
A lot of it's candy apple.
Oh,
It's
but like
like-
caramel apple?
Yeah.
No.
And y'all.
No.
To me, it tastes like absolute butthole. And I've never had butthole, but I can imagine.
This is a crime. It is still Halloween. Leave us alone.
I don't get that.
Let us live. Glogurt.
Glowy dog yogurt.
That sounds like something that you shouldn't ingest.
Sounds like your poop's gonna glow.
That'd be kind of fun. That's spooky. Spooky
I didn't even
dooky.
get the orange.
Ideas.
I might even use these in one of the recipes.
Ooh. Tell them.
Sell them. Okay. Orange for the boo basket. Little crackers.
Grab them. Why not? Throw them in there. If she doesn't eat them, we'll throw them in the
Little crackers.
Wajoomadoogle. Please. Please. I don't see them. Y'all, I have not been able to find the Halloween Oreos. I think they're like pretty much sold out everywhere, and I'm pissed because I didn't get any and I really want them for our like dessert board at the Halloween party, but
That's so weird. I feel like all the Halloween goodies are just
like why?
non-existent.
Why? Dang. They have pumpkin spice still, but like I want them to be the Oreo ones. I do have some cute spooky goldfish packaging. That's not what I want.
Wait, should we not get something for the cat for her to take home? A spooky cat
That would
toy?
be cute for Minerva.
Yes. I just thought about it. I was like, gotta get a spooky cat
Yeah.
for kitties.
Okay.
Maybe they're just sold out.
Oh.
Oh, we're here. Little tombstones.
Cute.
Or there's a bat and a moon.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I feel like this
Okay,
one.
Yeah, I want that one.
And I was gonna.
Security
Yes, yes. How cute. Okay,
so
perfect.
cute, Minerva.
Okay. All right.
We see
We did
you,
great.
Minerva.
We did great.
Should we get her the candle?
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Ghoulish gourd. I don't know if I like that.
Yeah, I thought the cat, that was cute.
This is pretty though.
I'm gonna go down this way.
This smells good.
Did you get
Yeah, they're already converting to Christmas, y'all. This is crazy talk. I'm gonna look over here real quick just to see if they have any good Halloween candy.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna get a pack of the gummy eyeballs. And let's get a pack of gummy fangs too. We love body parts. I feel like no one likes Peeps, but they're kind of cute, like little pumpkins. But they're not gonna get eaten, I feel like. I don't want to waste. I've got plenty of candy corn already, so I don't feel like we need that. Cheese balls are always a good option to put on like a savory board because they're orange. Should I get them? I'll wait on those. That one would be even better. How did I miss this whole section? Grillable.
Is it so loud?
Oh my gosh. It's kind of cute.
Yeah. These are the ones I was looking at. This one feels
cute.
very like cutesy.
Okay.
But then that one's just like Happy Halloween.
I feel like she's cutesy.
Okay.
And I feel like we're doing a lot of orange, and I'm
Yeah.
perfectly happy to stick to that theme.
What?
We also need to find a basket.
Yeah. That is through.
I wonder if we can find a collapsible one so that way she can actually take it home with her too.
That would be nice.
That would be nice.
Probably in the storage section.
Hey.
Oh, this would be cute to like add in the top.
Oh
then just,
yeah,
like, throw
that's
away a
cute. Yeah. What else they got, y'all? What else they got, y'all? Yes.
Like,
Floof it. Oh. I wanted to get, oh, these are all glittery. I wanted to get some bigger, like, spiders and skull multi-packs, which I might have to get them at Spirit Halloween when we go to put in, like, the charcuterie board to kind of, like, spooky it up. Yo, this is crazy. It's literally empty in here. Look at this. I literally am offended right
it's about to be
now.
Christmas as hell out here.
I'm kind of
Wonder
mad.
Shop garlands, light bulbs, all of it.
Like, what the heck?
Huh? Sorry, I love Christmas, so I'm not mad.
You know, I think Mario's Nintendo money stopped coming in. He's having to make some extra cash. Drop it, drop it, drop it low.
And like really recommend to anybody.
Heard. Emily Henry's Raina's favorite author,
Oh.
too.
It's only $12 plus 20% off. So.
Oh, sweet. Charge it! Well, we can't get her a Halloween mug. Guys, look how cute this little pen set is. It's also very, like, fall-ish, I feel like. With, like, just, like, a simple black notebook. That's cute, right? I don't see one that feels more Halloween-y. Oh, wait. This is cute. This is cute. Okay. Look how cute.
Oh, that is
That's
cute.
pretty fall-y together, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one.
Yeah, that one's like a multi-pack. We could pull out the orange. Or like the rainbow. We could pull out the orange in that.
Yeah, maybe like the orange and white.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm sure you'll use the rest of
I'll
it.
use the rest of it. I sure will. Oh, should we get her like a Halloween card?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they do have... Oh, wait. Okay. Well, they literally have orange and black.
Oh, yeah, do that.
We didn't get a basket yet.
Yeah.
But I was going to say, they do have bags. But I feel like that's not as fun.
No, I want to like make it cute in a basket.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. This one's kind of cute. Oh, I'm definitely getting this one.
Which one?
Hold on.
That's cute.
It's a kitty.
Boo. Happy Halloween, you Scary. In the dark like ours.
Cute.
Oh, there's stickers on the inside too. That's kind of cute.
Wait, this is all spooky ones. We could pull out one for her, the orange
Yeah,
one.
Yeah, that's cute. And then obviously we would use them, but
We can give the rest of the girls at the party too.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
there's like 7 or 6.
should I just get 2 packs and everyone gets one?
Yeah, sure. everyone gets a spooky cup.
They're half
They're
off.
50% off.
Yeah, so it's free. Girl math. I'm not gonna lie, the booby looking pumpkin is really funny to
Those
me.
are funny.
5 to 7.
They're little ghosties.
I feel like she's got to be like a 7 and an 8, so these should probably fit. Right?
Sure. They'd be too small for me, but
What size are you?
an 8.
Oh, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like they could stretch to like an 8 if she was an 8.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I don't think she has a wide foot, so. Unless you know she has a wide foot.
I mean, I'm like a 7.5, 8. I'll just like see how roomy it feels. Oh, actually, no. That's
Yeah.
tight on me.
Yeah.
Those have like no stretch.
So no.
No.
Maybe the little cat ones then? On the bottom right?
I feel like the sequins would be itchy though, but maybe that's just me.
Well, only if they're on the inside too.
Well, they're not, but I just mean like on like the edges.
So maybe the ghosties?
Ghosties. Do they have a medium? Oh, medium large. Perfect.
Okay. Wow. Christmas.
Wow. Wow. That is so close. Hey guys, we're back home now. I'm gonna make myself a spooky hot chalky, and we're gonna put together Julia's boo basket and then go put it on her bed so when she gets here on Wednesday, it's ready for her. Yay! You know, holy shit, bro. That's great.
Dude, I didn't even notice that.
Solid. I don't even know how.
There's a screw on the side.
Is there?
Right here. And it's gone. Just laying it all out.
Okay, good, because I want to do a haul.
No, we really are.
Mm-hmm. Now that is an adorable spooky hot chocolate. Shop the mug on holly-hickman.com. Okay, this is everything that we got. Orange book because it fits the theme. Also, Emily Henry is one of our friends' favorite authors, and my mom also really loves this author. She has like all of her books on audio form, so. And we know that Julia likes romance, which is what Emily Henry writes. So, orange book. We got her some ghost slippers, so freaking cute. Some gluten-free rice and almond flour 4 cheese crackers. I just realized they have cheese.
They say vegan and gluten-free though.
Oh,
Or no, maybe they just say gluten-free.
I was gonna say I don't see vegan.
Well,
We can put them in it. She
yeah,
can decide if she
knows.
can eat
Sometimes
them.
she does it and sometimes she doesn't. She's
Yeah.
like me.
And then we got this really cute throw pillow that's got like vampires and ghosties on them and like little witches and stuff. So cute. And we got a big basket to put it in, and we got something that could like collapse in her suitcase because obviously she's flying in from out of town. We got some tangerine La Croix because it's orange.
Because it's orange.
Tissue paper. Gotta have that. She has an adorable little kitty named Minerva. Yes, she's named after Minerva McGonagall from Harry Potter. Look how freaking cute. Little werewolf.
They got pissed that you
And
didn't get
Mooney, apparently. And some little cat treats. Then we got this orange essential oils. And I loved that it was energy because if you listen to our podcast, Julia has chronic fatigue. So maybe this will help her out a little bit. Probably not though, because it's just essential oils. We got her warm cider and cinnamon candle. Also very cute and fall-y. We got her date and nut bars pumpkin pie, vegan and gluten-free. Little like pumpkins to just make it look cute. We got this little notebook, which is so like cute and fall-y. And then these pens to go with it, which were also kind of in fall colors. We got her a charcoal mask and a little card that we're gonna write to her to tell her how much we love her. A little frame for her to put a picture from Halloween in. These Partake chocolate chip, but like, I don't know why they're I don't think there's anything Halloween about them except for the fact. Max, leave her alone. Hey, mamas. I love that. I hear a scream and then a run to me.
He's okay.
I don't think there's anything Halloween about them except the fact that there's jack-o'-lanterns on this packaging, which is fine, but it's kind of funny. We also got some freeze-dried strawberry and mango slices, mainly because they were orange. And then we also got, is this last thing? Oh, we got an orange vitamin water. And then we also got this like multi-pack of Halloween Starbucks cups. And we actually got 2 packs because they were 50% off, which means the second pack was free. And we got them because we're having like a spooky girls sleepover the night before my Halloween party. So we figured we'd give one to Julia, and they have all different colors. So all the rest of the girls can pick out whatever other spooky design they want. And they're super fun and girly. These are so cute. What the heck?
Really good.
Look how freaking cute. And then they all come with, I think these are glow in the dark lids.
Yeah. And I think some of the designs on the cups are glow in the dark too.
Okay, they're not that glow in the darky, but that's okay. Maybe they're not charged up. Okay, so we're gonna make her a little boo basket. My phone died while we were trying to build it for you guys, but look how cute. She's got her blankie and her candles and her lacroix and her essential oil and treats and kitty toys and pens and notebooks and books and cards and frames and everything.
Love.
It's so cute.
It's love.
All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed some fall Halloween Target shopping with me and making a fun boo basket for my friend Julia. If you guys did, give it a like, hit the subscribe button down below to come hang out with me on the channel. I'm still uploading every single day. Although, yes, I did miss a couple days. I'm so sorry. That happened last week. It'll never happen again. Last week, but I'm still uploading every single day until Halloween night. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah.